Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a makeup look which is completely for beginners. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to do makeup, then this makeup tutorial is the right one for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to prep my face with the face serum. You will be amazed at how long your makeup lasts with the use of Lakme face serum. Dab a little and let it gently blend into your skin, giving that extra shine to your face. Then put foundation on your face. I'm taking this foundation on the back of my hands, and then with the help of the foundation brush I am going to apply it all over my face. This time I have taken the Lakme foundation because it's very light on skin, plus it gives a light coverage to your face. What I feel is that on the daily basis we cannot use the full coverage foundation. Now with the help of the puffing brush, slowly blend this foundation on your skin. I myself devote a lot of time to this process because your skin looks flawless, smooth. Rotate the puffing brush in the circular motion all around your face. Now it's time to run our magic wand, that is concealer. From dark circles to pimples, there's no flaw that this beauty can't camouflage. I'm using NYX Photo Fix concealer under my eyes to hide my dark circles on my cheeks, and a bit of concealer on the side of my nose to hide some of the brown spots. Now with the help of the puffing brush again, I am blending this concealer on my skin. This process generally takes lot of time. If you want, you can blend this concealer with the help of the sponge. The sponge should be semi-wet. As I am almost done with the concealer, I have almost blended it on my face. Now it's the time to dress up your lids. I'm taking light pink color eyeshadow and applying it on my eyelids. With the help of this circular eye brush, I am applying it all around my eyelids. If you want, you can take any other light shade such as cream, beige, but do take the lighter shades first. Now I am taking this darker tone of the pink color, and in the similar manner I am again blending this pink color on my eyelids in a circular motion. I'm not playing with so many colors as it is a makeup tutorial for beginners, so I'm just focusing on one shade at a time. Follow this technique and you will surely be hypnotizing peeps each time you blend. Now I am again taking the lighter version of the pink shade and I'm going to define my crease line. If you want, you can skip this step, but just to add an element, I'm defining my crease line. Now I am highlighting my eyes with the ivory shade. This step is also optional. If you want, you can do, otherwise you can skip this step. Now I am going to apply compact on my face. The purpose of a compact is to mattify your base and make it sweat proof and transfer resistance for as long as you want to. If your days get stretched into nights, here's a superstar that you should put your monies in. With the help of the puffing brush, I'm applying this compact powder all over my face so as to lock my foundation. Now it's the time to define your eyes. I'm applying this Lakme Iconic Kajal on my eyes. I'm applying this kajal on the waterline of my eyes as well as on my upper lids too. Now I am flattering my eyelashes with this volumizing mascara. I recommend you to apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara on your lashes to give them a volume. Now with the help of this blusher stick, I am applying these pink blushers to the high points of my cheeks. I recommend you don't go overboard with your blushers, don't apply in large quantity. I am applying it with a very light hand on the apple of my cheeks and you can just spot the difference. Now with the help of my fingers, I am slowly blending this light pink shade on the apple of my cheeks. The last and the most significant step of our how to do makeup step-by-step tutorial has to be the lips. I just grab my favorite lipstick. This is a pink shade of Revlon. Hope you like my tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications. Till then, bye bye, take care.